Ever found yourself staring at a closet full of clothes and still feeling like you have nothing to wear? It's a conundrum we've all faced. The wardrobe is bursting at the seams, but somehow the perfect outfit eludes us. It's like a paradox, isn't it? And it's not just about having a lot of clothes, it's about having the right ones, and more importantly, knowing how to use them. This is where fashion hacks come into play. They're like your secret weapon, your fashion superpower that can transform your everyday style into something extraordinary. Fashion is not just about the clothes you wear, but also about how you wear them. It's about expressing yourself and being comfortable in your skin. And with the right fashion hacks, you can do just that. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sea of clothes in your wardrobe, yet still felt like you had nothing to wear, well, don't worry, we have just the right solutions for you. Ever heard of the phrase, accessories are the exclamation point of a woman's outfit? Indeed, the magic of accessorizing is real and transformative. It's like the fairy godmother's wand in Cinderella, turning a pumpkin into a golden carriage. Accessories are not just add-ons. They are integral elements that can dramatically enhance an outfit. They have the power to elevate a plain ensemble into something remarkable. For instance, consider a basic white tee, something we all have in our wardrobes. Now imagine adding a bold statement necklace to it. Suddenly, the simplicity of the tee is amplified by the glamour of the necklace, creating a chic and stylish look. Or perhaps you have a simple, solid-colored dress. Wrap a vibrant scarf around your neck and voila! The dress is no longer just a dress. It's a canvas showcasing your personal style and creativity. Remember, the right accessories can turn your outfit from drab to fab. Do you often find yourself buying new clothes because your old ones seem boring? Well, here's a secret. You don't always need a new wardrobe to keep your style fresh and exciting. The key lies in the power of mix and match. Mix and match is a concept that's as simple as it sounds. It's about taking different pieces from your wardrobe and pairing them in new and exciting ways to create a variety of outfits. Instead of seeing each item as part of a single outfit, consider each piece as a standalone that can be paired with multiple other pieces. Let's take a basic white tee, for example. It's a wardrobe staple that's often overlooked. But in reality, it's a versatile piece that can be the star of numerous outfits. Pair it with jeans and you have a classic casual look. Tuck it into a skirt, and you've got a chic ensemble perfect for a day out. Throw on some shorts and you're ready for a relaxed day at the beach. The same white tee, worn in 3 different ways, gives you 3 distinct outfits. The beauty of mix and match lies in its simplicity and versatility. It not only helps you maximize your existing wardrobe, but also encourages you to think creatively about your style. It's a fun and easy way to keep your outfits fresh and unique without having to constantly shop for new clothes. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering mix and match. First, identify your wardrobe staples. These are the basic pieces that can be paired with almost anything. Next, experiment with different combinations. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Finally, accessorize. A statement necklace or a colorful scarf can completely transform a simple outfit. In essence, mix and match is about making the most of what you have. It's about creating a multitude of outfits from a few basic pieces. It's about expressing your personal style in new and exciting ways. With the right mix and match, you can have a new outfit every day. So the next time you feel like your wardrobe is getting boring, remember, it's not about having more clothes, it's about having more ideas. Scene script. Scared of layering because you think it might make you look bulky? Let's dispel that myth right away. Layering your clothes is not about adding bulk, but about adding dimension and depth to your outfit, making it more visually appealing and interesting. Think of it as painting a picture, where each layer adds a new color or texture, creating a more nuanced and complete image. The key to effective layering is balance and proportion. It's about understanding the interplay of different garments, their colors, textures, and silhouettes. Layering gives you the chance to play with these elements and create a look that is uniquely yours. Now let's dive in with a simple, classic example: a denim jacket over a dress. This is a great option for those transitional seasons when it's not quite warm, but not too cold either. The denim jacket adds a casual, cool edge to a feminine dress, creating a balanced look that's both stylish and comfortable. Here's another tip. When layering, always start with the thinnest, most fitted piece and work your way up to the bulkier, looser items. For instance, you could start with a fitted turtleneck, add a boxy sweater over it, and then top it off with a sleek trench coat. This way, you're creating a streamlined silhouette that's chic, not bulky. And remember, layering is not just about warmth, it's also about versatility. By layering, you can easily adjust your outfit to different temperatures or settings. For example, a cardigan over a top can work for both a chilly office environment and a warm outdoor lunch. Lastly, keep in mind that layering is also about having fun and expressing your personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations of clothes and accessories. Try a bold printed scarf over a neutral sweater, or a long flowing kimono over a fitted dress. The possibilities are endless. Layering is an art. Master it and watch your style quotient soar. Ever bought a dress that looked great on the mannequin but not so great on you? Well, let's talk tailoring. In this world of fast fashion, we often forget the importance of clothes that fit just right. Tailoring is not just for the red carpet or your wedding day. It's for that pair of jeans you love, but just doesn't sit right on your waist. It's for that blazer that fits like a dream, but the sleeves are just a tad too long. Here's a little secret. A well-fitted garment can elevate your look from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine your favorite pair of jeans, hemmed to the perfect length. They can make your legs look miles long. Or that dress you adore, taken in at the waist. It can accentuate your figure in the most flattering way. It's all about personalization. Creating a wardrobe that not only reflects your style, but also fits your body perfectly. So next time you find a piece you love, but something's not quite right, consider tailoring. Never underestimate the power of a well-fitted outfit. So, are you ready to revamp your wardrobe with these fashion hacks? Let's take a moment to recap the exciting journey we've been on. We've discovered the magic of accessorizing, where a simple scarf or a standout necklace can transform an outfit from plain to fabulous. We've explored the power of mix and match, showing how you can create a multitude of looks from a few key pieces. We've delved into the art of layering, a skill that not only keeps you warm, but also adds depth and interest to your ensemble. And we've emphasized the importance of tailoring because nothing beats the confidence boost of a perfect fit. Fashion isn't just about following trends, it's about expressing your individuality and feeling great in your own skin. So take these hacks and make them your own. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. So express yourself and shop with us to find your unique style. Wondering why you should subscribe to our channel? Well, we've got some enticing reasons for you. Not only do our subscribers get early access to our new content, but they also have the opportunity to participate in exclusive giveaways and contests. Who doesn't love a freebie, right? And if that's not enough, subscribing to our channel also means you'll always be in the loop with the latest fashion trends and hacks. No more fashion faux pas or outdated outfits. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join our fashion-forward community. Let's continue this style journey together, one video at a time.